guys, it's Jimmy with Vista Heating and Cooling out here in Hereford. Just wanted to show you guys an example of our work here. What we did is a conversion job. This is where we take a Evaporative, convert it over to AC system. So let me show you what we got going. So as you can see, we've got this cooler cap right here. That was the old duct that went in through the from the cooler into the house. We capped that, sealed that up nicely. You can see we've got our line set cover coming out. This is our refrigerant piping and our electricals coming down here. We've got our nice disconnect box mounted, and we come out here all wrapped up nice and neat. Coming over to our condenser. That little line right there, in case you want to know, that is the condensate line. That is where the water that the system removes will be removed from the house and dumped outside. And as you can see, we got a pretty nice install here. There you go. So, if you're in the Sierra Vista Hereford area and you're looking to upgrade that old evap cooler to an AC system, give us a call.